Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locating the image so you don't waste time. Open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac and navigate to Desktop, Downloads, or any attached drive. Once done, right-click the image and view properties or get info to confirm file name, type, JPG, PNG, and size. This matters because search tools behave differently by file type and size. Make sure the image isn't in a compressed archive. If it is, extract it first so the search tool can access the file directly. Next, use a reverse image search to find matches and context. Open your browser and load Google Images or Bing Images, then drag and drop the image into the search area or click the camera icon to upload. You'll see visual matches, related pages, and size variants. Scan the top results for an exact match first. If results are poor, try using a cropped version or a different format. Websites often index 800 times 600 or larger images better. So resize. Finally, refine and troubleshoot to complete your search. Use filters like time range, image size, color, or restrict to a specific site to narrow results. These options speed up finding the right source. If reverse search gives nothing useful, try alternative engines, TinEye, or view EXIF with a metadata tool to find camera or GPS clues. If matches still fail, verify the image isn't corrupted and consider removing obvious watermarks or heavy edits. Then run the search again to improve chances of success.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.